ever need to.
So when I start create the broadcast, there's at the bottom of my screen it just says go live.
Oh, so okay. So you have to actually create the.
Yeah, you have to be the one in charge of it. Yeah.
Gotcha. That's good to know.
Okay, so we're live.
All right.
How you doing, Alan?
I'm good. I was just like doing the preparation of this for like the past 2 hours. So I'm so tired.
Yeah.
I just got home.
It was a lot, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, let's just start off with problem number 3.
Okay.
So problem number 3, as my answer, I got 1. Did everybody get 1?
Yeah.
1.
Yep.
Okay, so we can probably just move on.
4.
Question number 4.
False.
False. Question number 5, I got true.
True.
Yep.
What does symmetric mean again? Like straight?
It means it looks the same on both sides.
Okay, like a bell.
Okay.
So yeah, like
Okay.
that.
So like the one below?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number 6 is C.
I got C.
I got C.
So
did I?
Oh yeah, see.
Okay. Number 7, I got B.
So did I.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 8, I put 68.
So did I.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, 68. Do we put like 68 only or 68%?
Just 68. Yeah, just the number.
Okay.
Now these problems I'm probably gonna have different because of my calculator, so I gotta learn that.
So did you guys put 0.68 or just 68?
Just 68.
Oh, just 68 because it's the percentage.
Yeah. Yeah, so it gives you an example. Write it as a percentage such as 42. So it'll just be the number.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Question 9, I got 0.683.
I did.
So I'm guessing you guys already completed the whole quiz.
I did.
Yeah, I did it before I came.
I
Yeah.
did too, but my calculator obviously is off.
So, Carrie, sorry. What did you get, Carrie? Sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
I got 0.683 as well.
Oh, okay, good. Well, that's probably a good sign.
You say 68? 683?
Yeah,
0.683, yeah.
0.683. Okay, question 10. We got 0.955.
Oh, I got 0.995.
Oh, well,
that?
let me put it in. Okay, so z-scores need to be between -2 and 2.
Oh, maybe it's 977. 977?
Let me see here. 63. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -2 and 2? And then I got 0.9545. So if you put it into 3 sig figs, it'll be 0.955.
So you just put 2 in the z-score, right?
That's right. Yep.
Why does mine come up 9772?
Can you share your screen?
Oh, I'm on a different screen. Or I'm on a different computer. I don't have it open up on my.
Oh, okay. Is it on a laptop?
Oh, wait. I got it. Okay, what did you get? I'm sorry.
I got 0.9545.
Yep, I had the left side. For some reason, it was still clicked. So.
Oh, okay.
So do we round?
You do, yeah. It says round to 3 decimal places. So it's going to be 0.955.
Okay.
Okay, 0.955. Okay.
Yep. Alan, are you good with that?
Yeah, I can redo them again later. That's fine.
Okay. Okay. Did you write down that answer though? Just
Yeah,
have it.
955.995.
Perfect. Okay. Question 11. I ended up with 0.997.
I did as well.
Okay. And yeah, so Alan, when you go through and if you want to study this a little bit, it'll say in the question, it says use the normal probability applet to answer this question.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, it's just a link that takes you to this fancy little tool. It says normal probability applet on the top. It'll have an area, and then it'll have z-scores on the left and the right sides of the distribution curve.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, all you have to do is, for these questions, you just kind of plug and chug. So it says on the question, what's the proportion between like -3 and 3? So on the left z-score, you'll put -3. On the right z-score, you'll put 3.
Well, that's it?
And then you highlight the middle area, the spot in between it, and it will give you the answer right at the very top where it says area.
Oh, okay. Do you guys downloaded the app?
That little link takes you to it.
Yeah, it's super easy. Basically, all it's doing is it's showing you what percentage of people or stuff is in between those z-scores.
Yeah. Like I know how to do that. This is like, yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's super easy then. You just put in the threes.
Yeah, super easy. So, okay, what were we on? What question?
12, I think.
12. Okay. Question 12. I got the values match the 68, 95, and 99.7 rule.
I agree.
Okay.
Wait, what, with 12? Sorry. Look up for the answers. 3 questions. What do you answer? What was your answer?
My answer, so I got the values match the 68, 95, 99.7 rule.
Mm-hmm. That makes sense because it's the 3 standard deviations.
Yeah, if you go back to those answers, it says 0.68, 0.95, 0.99. I mean, that's right there. So yeah, I figure that's probably right. Okay, is everybody okay with that?
Oh, yep. Okay.
Okay. Moving on to question 13. My answer, I got 0.238.
Yep.
I got that one right.
What portion of the population of the place? Give answer. I believe in you, Dakota.
Well, that's dangerous. Okay.
On 14, instead of subtracting, you add.
On 14?
Or is it still, or the z? Actually, I lied. Never mind. It's the z-score formula. Just
So
ignore.
it would be the opposite of 1. So it would be, what is it, 66.2?
Actually, yeah, it would be. It would be the opposite of question 13. I didn't even think about that, but yeah, I think those add up to 1, don't they?
Yeah.
238 plus. I got 0.762.
I did too.
And yeah, it adds up to 1, so that would make plenty of sense.
Yeah, that was in the video.
Here's my calculator right there for you, if you can even see it.
Let me see.
Oh.
It says 1, so
Okay.
I would say that's probably right.
Yeah, that was in the video. They did that in the video.
Yeah. Okay, so that was question. Oh, go ahead.
You said 0.762.
That's yeah.
Okay.
For question 15, I got 0.762 again.
I did too.
Okay. And then for question 16, I got 0.525.
0.25. What'd you say again?
0.525.
Okay, hang on just a second on that one. Do you mind?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Work it out.
If you want, I've got the I've got my work here if you want to run through it.
So is that where you take the two z-scores, plug it into the applet, get the answer, and then take the
The
bigger,
middle.
subtract it from the less?
Right.
That's your answer?
Yeah.
Okay, I was starting to do that when we started class, so I wasn't quite finished doing that. Okay.
Gotcha.
33% time.
Yeah, I'm going back trying to look at what I actually did there. Carrie, did you have an answer for that one?
Yeah, I got 0.525.
Oh, good. Okay. Well, we got the same answer, so
Yeah.
that's probably a good sign.
Hey, I actually like this idea a lot.
Yeah.
How you guys went ahead and do the quiz.
Yeah, because it's nice.
That's
Because
way
if there's any discrepancies, we can just go and tackle it.
Right.
Yeah. And the way if one gets stuck, then when we get on the group, we can help each other.
Right.
Yeah,
So we
for
try to do
sure.
everything in one.
Okay. Well, question 17, I got 0.623.
Okay, now, how did you figure this out? I haven't gotten that far yet.
Okay. So this is what I did. Hang on. So first, okay, it says find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults. So what I did is I found the z-score for the 35th percentile.
So you took 35 minus.
Well, what I did is
5?
You
I'm
put
trying
it
to
on
remember.
don't you put it on the little graph that you find a 30 percentile, and then that gives you your z-score, and then you have your x. That's what you're trying to find minus your
Okay, hold on.
your mean.
Oh, okay. I think I remember what I did.
So at the top of your applet, put in 0.35.
That's
Okay.
right. Yep.
Let me go.
And I think if I remember right, you click on the left.
Yep, that's right. Yeah, because the 35th percentile would mean that we're looking at everything to the left of the distribution curve.
Everything less than 35. But how
Right.
did you, what z-score do you put in?
You
Well,
don't put a z-score. That's what you're trying to find out. You put in the percentile up at the top.
Yep.
Okay, so I put in the area.
Uh-huh.
Mhm.
Okay, so I just put in straight 35 or 0.35?
0.35 for 35.
0.35.
Yep.
And then I hit, and then what did you say I do after that?
Go ahead and share your screen just that way we can see what you're doing.
Sorry, you guys.
Oh, you're good.
Don't apologize. That's what this is for.
This is good practice for us.
Okay, so I have 0.35 up here on the top.
Uh-huh. And that looks good.
Yeah.
And you'll see the z-score at the bottom. If you look at that left one, it says negative 0.385.
Uh-huh.
So you want that number. So take that number, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to put it into the equation, which is right now we're looking for the protein requirement, which is kind of like our unknown.
Uh-huh.
And what you do is you take that unknown number, subtract the mean, and then divide by the standard deviation.
Okay, so you just do the z-score formula.
Exactly. And then you'll plug in the z-score because we now know that.
And so you go back
And-
to the applet, put in your z-score. And
So what was the mean again for that?
The mean is
no, 0.65.
0.65. Yeah.
So the one.
So once you get your z-score, you'll come back here to the applet and plug in your z-score and get that answer.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, that's awesome. That's easy.
So basically, you just kind of plug and chug, and you solve for that protein requirement, that unknown number.
Is that the x? Is that the x? Well,
Yeah, X.
u plus the z times the standard deviation. Okay.
Yeah,
So-
let me highlight my equation in red and put it on the camera for you.
So the standard deviation is 0.07 still?
The standard deviation is 0.07. Yeah. So if you look at my
Okay,
screen,
okay.
there's my z-score formula.
Okay.
So the unknown number, I just put an x, just
Okay.
because it's an whatever. And then after that, then you just kind of solve for it, and x turned out to be points. I can't see what that says. 0.623. Is that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
5.
Que se salieran, que te regresarían después.
Okay.
0.623?
So once you solve for the z-score, that's the answer. Is your z-score?
Well, no, what we're looking for is the protein requirement, and the protein requirement is that x that I put in there. See where the x is?
Right.
So here, let me get my pen here.
You're just solving for x.
Exactly, we're solving for x because here's the z-score that we plugged in. Here's the mean, and here's the standard deviation, and we're just solving for that, and that's going to be our answer. So, and there it is after I solved it. So 0.623.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Now I can go back and watch it on the video when I go back and do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, those 2 videos, I watched those quite a bit today to get the concept.
Yeah.
Okay.
It really helped.
Okay. Perfect. That's what I'm planning on doing today and tomorrow is just going through those hardcore.
That sounds good. Question 18 is basically the exact same question, except it's asking for the 80th percentile.
Okay.
So what you do to get the 80th percentile is you go back to that normal probability applet,
Right.
and instead of putting in 0.35, you're going to put in 0.80.
Which I got 0.842.
Yep, that's right.
Okay.
So that's going to be your z-score, and then you solve for x, just like what we did before.
Okay. Perfect.
And
Okay, can you repeat? I think I messed up in this one. So 14 is 0.762.
For 18,
I mean 14.
14.
0.762.
0.762. 15 is I messed.
Same.
Yeah, 0.762 for 15 as well.
0.762. And then number 16 is 0.525.
Yep.
17.623.
Yep.
Okay.
And then for question 18, I got 0.709.
I did too.
What was it
Awesome.
again?
So, okay. Do this.
It's 0.709.
Okay. Thanks, Dakota. Sorry,
Sure.
I can never be behind again.
Oh, that's okay. No, it's totally fine. You've been leading the pack, so it's time for me to get myself into gear. So this was my contribution, I guess.
It's funny how you can watch videos and things don't click, but you just talk to somebody else about it, and it's like, okay, I get it.
Yeah, because you're doing it real, you're doing it live, so it's helpful. Okay, well, if everybody's okay with the answers here, I'm going to submit it so we can see what we got right and what we got wrong, and then we can change our answers if need be, okay?
Sounds good.
All right, so let me just make sure I have everything in here. Looks good. Let me submit, and I'll see what it says. We got 100.
Awesome.
100.
Thanks, Dakota.
Hey,
You're the man of the day.
thanks,
You should
Carrie.
write.
Yeah.
You bet.
You should write it on your journal.
Write it in my journal.
Yeah, because I was really tired today.
I
I'm
got 100,
exhausted.
got 100% first try.
You're awesome. You're awesome.
You're gonna do good on the homework too. Then
What's that?
you're gonna do good on the homework.
Well, we'll see. I kind of struggled with the individual prep, so we'll see.
The homework one is kind of easy. I already did it. There's a few that have me a little stumped. And then I was reviewing and then I couldn't remember how I got the right answer.
Don't you hate that?
How did I do that? I can't remember how I did that.
Yeah, there's a, it's funny because the math really isn't that hard, but there's there's multiple. There's like the problem has to be broken up into smaller problems.
Yeah.
You know, so before you can solve the $5 problem, you have to solve the $4 problem, and then the $3 problem, and the $2. You know, it's like you have to break it down into smaller things before you can actually get to the answer, and it's
Exactly.
that's what makes it hard because you can get lost if it's not written down.
I agree.
And like I think the parts here could get lost is like the last questions that you had before, you know,
Mhm.
like that you have to go in and get like the standard deviation and the mean to be able to find the protein percentage.
Hey, I have a question for you guys. On lesson 4, I haven't taken. Never mind, I lie. Oh, the homework quiz. I haven't taken the homework quiz. How was it? Was it?
I haven't done it either. I'm saving that for the weekend.
That's what I was
Me
doing.
too.
I think I got, I used my note, but I think I got one wrong the first time, and it was because I read one of the questions wrong and didn't notice one word. So it wasn't bad.
That's
I'm trying to remember. It's just like the quiz. It tells you which one you got wrong, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just like all the other quizzes. When you take it, it'll tell you one wrong. Yeah.
Nice.
You know you can print out your quizzes, right? I was with somebody else in the class, and they didn't know you could print them out after.
After it closes, I guess you can print it.
I print it if I get 100%. I print it right after I take it.
Well, maybe I should do that. Maybe I should do that. Okay.
And did you notice in his email that he goes over the quizzes? He goes over the quizzes on the particular ones that people really struggle with, and he explains.
Oh, okay. I didn't.
I don't know if you've watched that in his in the video that he sent out
No.
the other day. So
Yeah, I didn't notice that.
yeah.
I was too busy having a life, apparently. I said I was apparently too busy having a life.
Well, at least you're having one. I don't seem
I'm
to
not.
have one. I'm spending all my time doing homework. My poor husband.
Yeah.
I'm thinking
Yeah,
that
I don't know.
hopefully stays this way, but it's easier. Financial management 301 and
You never know.
anyway.
Thanks, Dakota. Thanks, girls.
Yeah, you bet. Is there
I really
anything else that
appreciate it.
needs to be looked over, or are we done?
I think we're good.
Awesome.
We're good.
Do we have to
Thanks.
for the collaboration or anything?
Do we have to what? Oh, on the prep? It didn't say to discuss anything with anybody.
Okay, and I'll just post the link as soon as you're done.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks,
See you guys.
everybody. See ya.
See you on Tuesday.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye,
bye.
guys.
Bye.